In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for HR. We'll start on the monday.com homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account. The layout can vary slightly by plan, but the key controls are the same. From the left sidebar, open workspaces to decide where your HR tools will live. Keeping everything in a dedicated workspace makes it easier to manage permissions and find your boards quickly. To create your HR setup, click the plus icon to add something new. When the creation menu appears, hover over board. A board is your main canvas in monday.com. It's where you'll track candidates, tasks, and timelines in a structured table. Instead of building from scratch, choose Start with Template. Templates give you a ready-made foundation with useful columns and groups pre-configured. In the Template Center, browse all templates to see what's available. You can scan categories, sort by popularity, and read short descriptions to understand how each template is intended to be used. If you don't see what you need at first glance, head to the General Templates section for broad, adaptable options. Then use the search field and type Recruitment. This will surface templates designed for hiring workflows such as tracking roles, stages, interview dates, and owner responsibilities. Pick the recruitment template that best matches your process, then select Use Template. Monday.com may ask where to place it. Choose the HR workspace so everything stays organized and accessible to the right people. Your board will open with sample structure in place. Now make your edits here to tailor it to your team. Rename the board and groups to reflect your open roles or pipeline stages. Adjust columns to match your data. Common choices include status for each stage, person for the recruiter or hiring manager, date for interviews or start dates, and text or number fields for notes and salary ranges. Remove any columns you don't plan to use to keep the board clean. Scan for placeholder items and either replace them with your real candidates or archive them to start fresh. Configure views like Kanban or calendar if they help you visualize progress. Filters are great for focusing on a single role or stage during stand-ups. As you refine the structure, keep naming consistent and define clear stage criteria so handoffs are smooth. That's it. You've created an HR recruitment board using monday.com templates and customized it to fit your workflow.